Hi. Today we will learn hot and sour soup. First we put little bit oil because soup doesn't need too much oil. Then we put chopped garlic for sauté. When garlic get golden brown, we can add water or vegetable stock. Then we will add soya sauce, vinegar, salt, aromatic, and Szechuan sauce or chili powder for adjustment. Later add the sliced vegetables. I put only carrot because customer don't need cabbage. And now add coriander leaves, accordingly Indian taste. Now you can test all spices is right or not. When all is ready, then add corn flour slurry accordingly to your taste. How much thickness you need it. Put slurry bit by bit. If you put too much slurry, it becomes jelly. We firstly out the veg soup if you need. Otherwise, put mixed egg. Leave it for 2 seconds for egg to cook. Then add chopped boneless chicken. And your soup is ready to serve. Thank you for watching.